How to enable Spotify Premium. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can enable Spotify Premium. First of all, launch open the Spotify app on your device, or you can open up any web browser and head over to spotify.com/premium. If you're using the app, then here you will find the option of premium at the bottom of your screen. Tap on that. Now scroll down to check out all the available plans. You have individual plan, student plan, duo plan, and family plan. So if you want the individual plan, you can tap on try 1 month option over here. As you can see, both individual and student plans have 1 month free trial. Now tap on get started. Here you can find all the details about your plan. If you want to change it, simply tap on change plan option, and from here you can simply select your preferred plan. Now you want to select how you want to pay. You can use Spotify or Google Play over here. Tap on continue option. Now select your payment method. If you want PayPal, select that. If you want credit or debit card, select that. Then enter your card number, expiry date, security code. Once that is done, tap on complete purchase option. And in this way, you can easily enable Spotify Premium. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.